So today is a content creation day for a brand, and for that I need to pack my bag, leave for a short hike. I'll show you the entire process. But first thing first, let's have some chai. It is vlog 10. So this vlog is all about behind the scene of all the content creation which I do in the mountains, that too alone. So today we have a brand which is Reiki Outdoor, and I need to create content for this thing. So for that we are going to take a few steps. Step number 1, script writing. So to write a script, you need to understand the brand. You need to understand what is the vibe of it. You have to use this product before writing a script or before shooting content for it, so that you can talk about how exactly it feels. As you know, I don't have any crew. I don't have any assistant. I have to shoot everything by my own. So yes, I am the director, I am the actor, and yes, I'm everything. So today I need to use a little bit creativity to shoot the entire content. And let's see how much time does it take. We are going to use these amazing hiking poles. This is Tripole brand, and I'm going to use it for the first time. So this is my shoot location. This is a jungle area where are huge trees, perfect sunlight and natural sounds. So yes, I'm all set. As I said that I'm going to shoot for this brand Reiki Outdoors, and I'm wearing this layer for the second time. So let me tell you about this product. It is a quick dry material which you should wear on treks over cotton, and it is full sleeves. I like full sleeves product, and the fit is really nice. It is long lasting, durable comparatively to cotton, and it makes you feel really comfortable while hiking. So you should definitely consider quick dry material over cotton while hiking. Apart from this Reiki Outdoors, I'm going to shoot an informative reel which is about hiking poles. So it's a pack up. I have shot 2 reels content, one for brand, one informative content, and I'm quite happy about it. So it took me 1.5 hours to do the complete process, and this trail is approximately 400 to 500 meters away from my place, so quite manageable. So yes, it was fun. So yes, step 2 is done. Step 1 was scripting, step 2 was shooting, step 3 is editing. I never told you about this trail. You have seen me running on this trail, and this is one of my personal favorites because it is not very steep, and it is quite a nice one, peaceful one, and you can see these pine trees here. I love this trail. It's quite green. So yes, running on this trail is my favorite thing. So now I'm going to have my lunch because I'm super hungry. Now I have to sit with my content, edit, then I have to go to the gym because it's Saturday. Sunday it is going to be closed, and then yeah, I have to prepare my dinner in the end. So yeah, it's going to be a fun day. So today I didn't feel like cooking anything, so I'm going to have my lunch here, and this is Siddu. In case you don't know what Siddu is, it's a local dish of Himachal, specifically from Solan side. They generally use wheat or white flour, and there is a filling of walnut in it. And then comes the editing part. I love this part. It is one of the fun parts. So basically, make sure you do your editing clean, so that if there is a scope of work or if there is any change which brands demand, you can do it easily. Generally, it takes me 1.5 to 2 hours to edit a normal reel, depending how many elements I want. So if I want more elements, it will take a lot more time. Choosing a music, choosing the right kind of color correction, then seeing if there is a mistake, cut, paste, all these things, it takes a lot. So it is fun, but yes, it demands a lot of sitting, so where you use your mind more than your body, but it is, yes, definitely fun. So you can see that my timeline is quite clear right now. This is for subtitles, then there is a video, then the audio attached with this video and the music. So yes, currently it is clean and it takes 1.5 hours to do the entire process, but it is really fun. Sometimes it takes more because picking up a music, color correction and all these things, it takes a lot of time. I can't show you the video right now. Wait for it. I am going to post it as a reel on Instagram.